Welcome to channel Hemmi Info. The Amazon jungle, also known as the Amazon rainforest, is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It spans across 9 countries in South America, covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers. Often referred to as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon plays a vital role in regulating the global climate, preserving biodiversity, and providing resources for millions of species, including humans. This article explores the Amazon's geography, biodiversity, indigenous tribes, ecological significance, threats, and efforts for its conservation. Geographical location. The Amazon rainforest is primarily located in Brazil, which holds about 60% of the forest. The rest stretches into Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon basin is drained by the Amazon River and its more than 1,100 tributaries, forming the largest river system in the world. The Amazon River alone is about 6,400 kilometers long, making it either the longest or the second longest river on Earth, depending on how it's measured. Climate and environment. The Amazon has a hot and humid climate throughout the year. Average temperatures hover around 27 degrees Celsius 80 degrees Fahrenheit, with little seasonal variation. Rainfall is abundant, with some areas receiving over 3,000 millimeters of rain annually. This consistent moisture supports the rainforest's dense vegetation and complex ecosystems. The forest is made up of several layers. Emergent layer, the tallest trees, reaching over 60 meters. Canopy layer, thick with leaves and branches, forming a roof that blocks sunlight. Understory layer, dark and humid, home to many insects and small animals. Forest floor, the ground level, rich in decomposing plant material. Biodiversity. The Amazon is the most biodiverse place on Earth. It houses 40,000 plant species, 2.5 million insect species, 1,300 bird species, for 30-plus mammals, 1,000+ amphibians, 400+ reptiles, 3,000+ freshwater fish species. Famous animals include the jaguar, anaconda, poison dart frog, harpy eagle, sloth, capybara, pink river dolphin, and howler monkey. The plant life ranges from towering Brazil nut trees to tiny orchids. Many species are endemic, meaning they are found nowhere else in the world. Indigenous tribes. The Amazon is home to around 400 to 500 indigenous tribes, some of whom have had little to no contact with the outside world. These tribes speak about 300 different languages and maintain unique cultures, traditions, and belief systems. Some well-known tribes include Yanomami, living along the Brazil-Venezuela border. Kayapo, known for their vibrant body paint and resistance against deforestation. Ticuna, the most populous tribe in the Brazilian Amazon. Awa, among the most endangered tribes due to illegal logging. These communities depend on the forest for food, shelter, medicine, and spiritual practices. Their way of life is intricately linked with nature, and they play a vital role in preserving the rainforest. Ecological importance. The Amazon is critical to life on Earth for several reasons. Oxygen production. The forest absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. It is estimated that the Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen, hence the nickname, Lungs of the Earth. Subscribe my channel. Carbon sink. It stores billions of tons of carbon in its trees and soil, helping to mitigate climate change by removing CO2 from the atmosphere. Water cycle. Through a process called evapotranspiration, the trees release moisture into the air, creating rain clouds. This impacts rainfall patterns across South America and even distant regions. Biodiversity reservoir. The Amazon preserves species that are not only crucial to ecosystems, but may also hold the key to medical breakthroughs. Soil protection and nutrient recycling. Fallen leaves and decaying matter on the forest floor recycle nutrients that support new plant growth, maintaining the health of the ecosystem. Economic value. The forest provides many resources: timber, mahogany, and other valuable hardwoods. Medicinal plants. Over 25% of Western medicines are derived from rainforest plants. Food products. Brazil nuts, acai berries, cacao, rubber. Tourism. Ecotourism provides income while raising awareness. However, sustainable use of these resources is vital. Overexploitation can lead to permanent loss. Threats to the Amazon. Despite its vastness, the Amazon is under severe threat from human activities. Deforestation. Every minute, an area of rainforest the size of a football field is lost. Causes include cattle ranching, logging, agriculture, soy palm oil. Mining. Brazil is one of the largest exporters of beef and soy, both major contributors to forest clearing. Illegal logging. Illegal activities often go unchecked, causing extensive damage to protected areas and indigenous lands. Fires are often set to clear land for agriculture. In dry seasons, these fires can rage out of control, destroying vast areas.